Hey,
Hey guys.
it's hi.
Hi. You got a big head.
You have a 5 head.
You don't got a full head. You got a 4 head. You got 6 head.
Your ears are out of this freaking world, dude.
Your nose is out of this freaking world, girl.
Your head is half of everything. Your eyebrows is half at the end of your head. And your head is just sitting there and has the whole half.
Your head look like a flat screen TV, girl.
Your nose look like a triangle.
Your head look like a rectangle.
You have bees on the top of your head.
You have bees on the top of your head.
You're just ugly, plain ugly.
You're ugly. Don't talk about me.
You have a spoiled face like you just dropped a glass of milk.
Your head look like a cloud.
Dude, spell it. Like
CLOUD.
Spell big ass head.
BIGASSHEAD.
No, you forgot to put the space bar in between the 3 words.
Oh, sorry.
You're stupid, kid.
You're stupid.
Your teeth look like a damn banana. 2 of them.
No, yours. Yours.
You're a little squirt.
You're a squirrel.
Close your freaking mouth, dude.
I can't, dude.